friends, welcome to this session of Excel basic training. In this particular session, we are going to discuss QAT. QAT means Quick Access Toolbar. Now, what is the purpose of a QAT and where is it located? Let's see them. If you can see my cursor, QAT is located on the top left corner of your Excel workbook or the Excel worksheet. Here you will see some icons, like right now we have icons like underline, italic, and these icons are placed there, and this area is called QAT. Now why Excel has placed it on top of the sheet and above the toolbar? The reason being that this place helps you save a lot of time which you may spend in searching your tools and commands while working on Excel. Now I'll explain you how. When you are working on Excel and suppose you want to do what if analysis. Now you want to do what if analysis. Now you'll be looking for that tool. You may go to this data tab and then you may come here to the what if analysis tool and use it. Now in case you are using it very frequently in this particular project of yours, you can just right click here and say add it to QAT, and this gets added here. The quick access toolbar has got now what if analysis tool there. If you are requiring the forecast sheet, you can just right click here and add to your QAT. The forecast sheet also comes here. So now you don't need to go and figure out where the tools are. While you are working on your Excel, you can simply go and use the what if analysis from here. You can use forecast sheet from here. You can use all these tools very conveniently without wasting time in searching for them in your menu bar and in your tabs and groups, and use them for your project. Now if you want to remove them, how to do that? You can simply go and right click there and you'll get the option of remove from QAT. You click here, and you can see that you are easily able to remove your tools from the quick access toolbar. Now friends, in Excel, here in the menu bar we have around 400-500 commands, but generally Excel will show you only the popular commands. So how to get all the commands from the Excel, we will learn this now. I have right clicked on the QAT, and I get an option of customize QAT, customize your QAT. If I click here, this window will open, and when this window opens, you can see that there is an option called Quick Access Toolbar, and here Excel is right now showing you only the popular commands. If you get this drop down and if you click on all commands, now the Excel is going to show you all the commands, and you'll see that you have a lot more commands than they are originally shown by Excel. Now from here we will try to get a tool called speak cells. All these commands are arranged in alphabetical order. So if you're looking for speak cells, we can go down to S and then we can look for P. Now we are very close to it. We'll just scroll down and now we can see speak cells is here. I'll just click on the speak cells and add. It will come on the right hand side. Right now my QAT has only two commands, underline and italic. I'm adding speak cells there. Once it is added, I'll click OK at the bottom of this window, and the speak cells tool is now added here. Now we'll just try to use this tool and see what it can do. We'll just type here some names: Ram, Paul, Mohan, Anita, and we'll write some numbers here. We'll write a number 10, 12, 15, 11, and now we will just select this small table and we'll go and click on the speak cells which we have just got in our QAT.
Ram 10, Paul 12, Mohan 15. Anita. 11.
So friends, what we have seen here is that we can bring in tools which are not present generally in our menu bar from the Excel command section, and to reach there what we did was we clicked on our right clicked here and we went to customize QAT. From there we selected all commands, and from all commands we chose whatever commands we required, brought in here and used them to serve the purpose. And once we are done, as you know, we can simply right click here and we can say remove from QAT. Another thing is, in some of your computers, when you click this, there is an option of show QAT below the ribbon. If you click here, the QAT will be shown here below the ribbon. At times you will not see your QAT here, so don't get worried. Your QAT will be appearing here below your ribbon, and when you want to take it above the ribbon, just click here and you can see this option of show your QAT above the ribbon, and you click this and it will come here. So friends, I hope you are able to understand the use of QAT, use it, customize the tools and save a lot of time while working on Excel. Thank you guys for watching this. Let's meet in the next session. Thank you.